I'm behind the wheel of Ford's new pride of the fleet, the Mustang Mach-E all-electric SUV. And it's easy when building something like this to not include some traditional features. But car companies, including Ford, are deleting things out of existing vehicles that we're used to seeing.
Instead of traditional analog gauges, Ford has installed a 10.2-inch screen behind the steering wheel that gives you more than just speed, engine revs and warning lights. It also gives the driver available battery miles, battery charge and driver mode aesthetics.
You're also going to start seeing traditional buttons deleted, replaced with on-screen buttons.
The Mach-E has very few buttons. All of the controls for the navigation and infotainment are here in the huge 15.5-inch touchscreen. Dashboards have become completely digital. BMW is a shining example of this. The same can be found at Audi and Mercedes in the luxury segment and in the new Nissan Ariya in the family segment. Mini will be deleting their gauges in the 2021s too. They just rolled out their new sleek hardtops and convertibles for 2021 and gone our traditional gauges, replaced with a large screen that sits just above the sleek steering wheel. And Mini have also deleted some of the front grille and replaced it with a body-coloured bumper. Car keys or key fobs are also being deleted. BMW, Ford, Hyundai and Lincoln are already offering phone as a key. Even though you get a key fob with your purchase of a new vehicle, in many cases you can leave it at home and just take the phone. And in the new Polestar 2, the start and stop button has been deleted. The car senses the new key fob when you sit in the driver's seat and turns the car on.
Now here's something that Ford probably won't tell you about the Mach-E. At the bottom of the big screen is a rotary dial, which says volume right in the middle. But it's not a real dial at all. It's actually just stuck onto the screen with glue. And it's digitally connected to the actual sound. So when you rotate it, it sends a signal to the computer inside the car to turn up or turn down the volume. It's actually just glued to the screen.
Although buttons, switches and knobs are being deleted, sometimes automakers have to put them back. After Honda deleted the audio button from the infotainment system in the Civic, buyers kicked up such a fuss, Honda had to put it back in.
Now, fog lights are being deleted in cars, replaced by headlights themselves. The fog lights are being integrated into the headlights like the new Mini hardtop. Because of LED technology, headlights can now house the fog light as part of their technology.
If you'd notice, the size of headlights are also getting smaller due to the advanced technology in LED lighting.
Now, sunroofs are being deleted and fully glass roofs are being installed, which can do some amazing things.
In the new Toyota Venza, thanks to advanced technologies, you can now turn the roof opaque to let less light through the glass at a touch of a button. Rear view mirrors are also being deleted and replaced with dual mirror screens. They can now be used as a mirror or a screen to view the rear of the car, as demonstrated in the new Nissan Armada.
So in the future, drivers will no longer be needed. When we go to autonomous cars, you won't need me anymore. That's right, I'll be sitting here in the back seat instead of the driver's seat.
I'm Nick Miles.